How to log in Google Calendar. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are trying to log into Google Calendar, then it is pretty easy. Whether you are on your iPhone, Android or computer, let's make it simple and stress-free. First of all, launch or open your Google Calendar application on your device, whichever device you are using, and then once you are done, you'll end up in this page. You'll see the sign in button at the very bottom when you first open up the app. On your desktop too, you can look for the sign in button at the top right corner and tap on it, and get ready to enter your Google account's credentials. Type in your email address associated with your Google account in the text box and tap on next. On the next page, type in your password, and then once you sign in, you'll see this pop up where you need to click on continue. Select your contacts you want to import and allow necessary permissions such as notifications, and you'll then be able to sign in. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, Google will ask you to verify using a code sent to your phone, email, or authentication app. Follow the prompts and you'll be in. Once you're signed in, you'll see your calendar events, reminders, and tasks. You can also add events, set reminders, and organize your day easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.